Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our episode. So this is just a continuation on the world of business. So we're going to continue on the rise of freelancing. That was the last episode which I did on the freelancing. So today we're going to look at the affiliate market with the practical example as well, as I usually do. So the first point, we're going to look at how those affiliating marketing. So the second point, it will be based on the practical examples of affiliating market. Then after that, the third point will be based on the advantage or benefits of affiliating marketing advantages. Then the fourth point, it will be on the tips for success in affiliating markets or strategies to succeed in the case of affiliating market. Then after that, I'm going to give a quick summary at the end, just as usually do in all the episodes, just to sum up really what we learned in each video. So are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Tighten your belt and let's begin. Even though my voice is still cracked, I think we have to go on and really, so there's no time to rest. So it's all about the rise of freelancing in the case of marketing, self-employment. So in the case of affiliating market or affiliating is like the marketer officially attach, or in this case connect to an organization. That's the meaning of affiliating. So you have like a marketer officially attach or collaborate with an organization really, or connects with an organization. So you're doing like in this case you become like a promoter, promoting the products, which means goods or services, mostly services, because it is an online based service. There's the foundation, it's based on the online. Courage, despite all the bodily weaknesses, my spirit shall rule. This year must determine a complete man. Nothing is going to be remain undone. So there will be no stone left unturned. So are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Let's begin on the affiliating marketing with practical examples. So in the case of affiliating market or attached to a larger body, or marketer being attached to a larger body, there's affiliating. So it's a popular online business model. It is based online. So when individuals or businesses earn commissions by promoting other companies' products, which means goods or services. So it is an online really. You can have individuals or businesses really promoting other companies' products, goods and services. So it is a win-win model. So the promoter wins as the person or the individual who's promoting, and the company also wins at the same time, as affiliates earns a percentage. So of the sale. So if there's like 100% of sales, you might get maybe 10% of that. The owner or the company will retain the 90%, which is all like win-win. So in that case, so while companies get new customers like through the third party promotion. So I'm going to break down how affiliating market works along with practical examples, because you have to be practical, real world examples. So we're going to begin, ladies and gentlemen, on our first point. How does affiliating market works? How does affiliating marketing work? It's all about marketing, freelancing, the rise of freelancing. You can check out the last episode, which I just did recently, really. So this video is going to go on the same playlist as well. So affiliating markets involve three main players or three main entities. In the first one, we have like the merchant, which is like the advertiser, and or business in this case is the merchant or the company itself, which is the first entity. So the company offering products, goods or services. The second player is like the affiliate, which will be like the publisher or marketer. That's the affiliate. So the person or businesses that promotes the merchant's products is called the affiliate. The third one, or the third player or individual, is the consumer or the customer in this case. So the customer who pays for the product or who buys the products through the affiliate's recommendations. So if you click any link which the affiliate or the promoter or the publisher or the marketer has put there, you become the consumer, because you'll go there on the website, direct to the website, click and buy, so you become the consumer or the customer in this case. So I have one of my quote: every free thing has got an invisible cost attached to it. So if you click, you become the product yourself, or you become the customer in this case. So we're going to check the steps in the affiliating marketing. The first one, so the steps are simply based on the affiliate, the publisher or the marketer. The steps which you have to go through. The first one, you have to sign up for an affiliate program. So you have to check the program if there's an offer in the case of affiliating. which means you're getting like a percentage really of the sale. So that is with the first program, signing up for an affiliate program. Like choose a company offering an affiliate program, such as Amazon, which is good as well. The share sale or ClickBank as well. Those are like the three companies, like Amazon, share sale, and ClickBank. Now the second stage, after sign up for an affiliating program, you have to promote now the products. So you have got admitted. Now it is the time to start doing the promotion, advertisement. So you have to share a unique affiliate link on your website. You can share on your blog, YouTube channel as well if you're a YouTuber, or social media. In the case of social media, it can be on Facebook, can be on Instagram or X, and Twitter as well, or X or LinkedIn. So all of those are like social medias. So I have plenty of them, several of them to choose from. So the third step of affiliating marketing is to start earning commissions. Now in the case of earning commissions, it's like you start getting some percentage of income. So you earn a commission whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase. In the case of the link, every link is unique to every affiliate. So that's how you earn a commission. So whenever someone clicks, goes to the website, complete a purchasing, then you earn the income, or you earn the commission in this case. So the second point, we're going to look at the practical examples. So I'm going to give different scenarios just to give you the real touch of the real world of affiliating marketing. So the first one is like the first example. So we have like the tech blogger promoting software. So in the case of software, it can be like a developer, or it can be in the case of coding, it can be like a back end or front end or full stack. So that would be like our first scenario. So let's say a tech blogger write reviews like about various software products. So just reviews really, such as antivirus or AVs, software or productivity tools. So the second one is like the affiliate link placement. After the scenario, now we have the affiliate link placement. So in each review, they include a link to the software's website using the unique affiliate link. So that's what you have to do as a software of the blog in this case. So if a reader clicks the link and purchases the software, the blogger earns a commission. So every time someone make a complete purchasing, the one who put the link there, as the blogger, you earn a commission. So affiliate network, in this case, the blogger may use affiliate networks such as the share sale or the CJ affiliate to find software companies such as with the affiliate programs. So you can use the share sale or CJ affiliate to start looking for the companies who have got like the affiliating programs for the ones which you're targeting for. So the second example, let's imagine you are the YouTuber promoting fitness products. So in this case, your channel is based just on the fitness. So you're targeting on the fitness products, like fitness gears in that case. That would be the second scenario. So let's say a YouTuber who creates fitness content promotes fitness equipment, supplements as well. In the case of supplements, it's all about nutrition, or clothing in this case, like clothing gear, sport gears. So affiliated link placement in this case, second scenario. So there are the affiliating links. So in the case of a YouTuber now, the affiliate link placement. So they'll be like in the case of placement where you have to place your link now. So there are the affiliate links to produce like to the products in their video description. So as a YouTuber, you have to add the unique affiliate link in the YouTube video descriptions, like leading to an online store like Amazon. So if you add there, so whenever someone clicks there, the link will simply take them to the main website. So if your viewers buys the products through those links, the YouTuber receives commission. You earn a percentage on the whatever the complete purchasing of the customer or the consumer. So the affiliate program in the case of the YouTuber, so the YouTuber could use like let's say Amazon Associates, which are like online stores or websites which are simply linked to associated with Amazon to promote their products, which allows creators to link to Amazon's products or Amazon products. So the third example in the third scenario, so in the third case, we have like a travel blogger promoting like booking platforms. In the case of booking platforms, it's like accommodation. You can book for an hotel, you can book for flight, airplane, or planes. So in this third scenario, let's say a traveler blogger writes about different destinations and recommends hotel booking platforms like the booking.com or the Airbnb or the Airbnb, the famous one website as well. So the affiliate link placement in this case, in the case of a blogger about booking or reservation, so the blog includes link to booking platforms within their blog post or newsletter. So if you are the blogger, whenever you're writing an article, you have to include the link inside there. So the link have to be embedded inside the blog. It can be at the front, at the start, or at the end, or in the middle. It doesn't matter. Or in the case of newsletter as well, the same thing. So when readers click the links and book accommodations, in this case it can be like hotel or rooms, the blogger earns a percentage of the booking fee. In this case, a percentage can be like 2% or 10% of the booking fee. So affiliate program in the case of the blogger, so the travel blogger signs up for the booking.com affiliate program. So in the case of booking, there's a main website, booking.com. So you have to look for the affiliating program, which pays commissions for each completed booking. So in the Kia, you get paid a percentage or commission whenever there's a completed booking. Whenever someone click your link as well, your affiliate link, and make a complete purchasing or booking, then as the affiliator, you get some percentage or commission on that. So the third point, we're going to look at the benefits or advantages of affiliating marketing. So the first benefit is like low startup cost. So in your case, as affiliator or promoter or marketer, there's low cost startup cost. So you don't need to create a product. In the case of create, you don't need to make, you don't need to produce a product, your own original product. You don't need it because you're doing it for a company, someone else. So you don't need to manage inventory. Like inventory can be like equipment, or handle shipping. So no need of shipping, no need of inventory, no need of creating a product. So the main investment here is time. So time is the main investment, and effort in the content creation and marketing. In the case of marketing, it's all about promotion. So the only things which are needed from your side, to have time and more effort. In the case of marketing, promoting the products, goods and services of the certain company which you have chosen as your affiliating marketing. The second one is like the passive income potential. In the case of passive, it's like compliant income. Potential can be like opportunity. So once your affiliate links are in place, you can continue earning commissions from them over time without additional effort. So once you have your links there, you can leave them there. So as long as the website or the company is still doing the affiliating, whenever people click, whenever your visitors click, or your viewers on YouTube, whenever they click the link, make a complete purchasing or booking, you keep getting income all the time, endless income, which is a good investment as well in this case. Easy, so you're not losing anything. You are the one who's gaining something, earning commission or some percentage at every completed purchasing. The third benefit is like flexibility, and flexible and scalable. So in this case, scalable. So in the case of affiliating marketing, can be done alongside other jobs. So there's all like flexibility. So it's not only like you're focusing on affiliating marketing, you just leave your links there, which are like the baits or clickbaits. So whenever someone make a purchasing, you get income. So that will not restrain you really from doing other jobs, some important jobs or tasks as well. And it can be scaled by promoting more products or reaching a larger audience. So in this case, you can choose really your audience if you want to increase or decrease your audience. So in the case of earning income, you want to reach more audience, more people in this case. So you can increase your income as well, or increase your earning commission. So the fourth point, we're going to look at the tips for success in the affiliating marketing. In this case, can be like strategies to succeed in the affiliating marketing. So it's like competitive world as well, because it is based on the freelancing, which is like self-employment really. In this case, it's like the easiest one in the case of earning, because there's no need of creation from the side, just the effort into time, promoting as well your skills which are needed here. So the tips to succeed is in the case of affiliating marketing, it's like you have to choose the right niche. So in the case of niche, you have to pick a niche. So in this case, do what you love and love whatever you're doing, and niche you are passionate about, and when and where there's a demand for affiliating products. So you have to look in this case, you have to do whatever you love and try to see if there's any demand. So something which people are interested in, the customers, the consumer. So you have to put the consumer first and think something really which will be attractive to them or which is in demand, going with the trends as well, blending in with the trends. So the second tips for success, you have to provide value. So in the case of value, it's all really about the quality. because you're not producing anything, so there's no need of saying value over price. You have to focus, provide value, like quantity, quality really. So instead of focusing only like on selling, create valuable content that generally helps the audience, like reviews, tutorials, or comparison articles. In this case, like for review tutorials and comparison articles, they'll be there really trying to educate the audience. In the case of YouTube, blogging as well, which will be good, so people read. In the case of a newspaper as well, so they say education has no end, even old age. As a newspaper or news agent, you're still educating even the old generations. The more they keep reading the newspaper, you're still educating them. So you say, oh, I didn't know about this, now I know. So the third trip of success, you have to disclose affiliate links. In the case of disclose, you have to reveal, you have to put the spoilers there. So you have to let you people know, you viewers, you have to let them know. So in the case of trying to avoid scammers or trying to break the trust, so it is important to follow regulations or to follow rules and disclose when a link is an affiliate link. So this builds trust with your audience in this case. In the case of trust, it's like you don't want to become like a scammer. So before someone clicks on the link, you have to tell them this is an affiliating link, guys. So you can click on this link, make some purchasing. If you make some purchasing, maybe I'll get some commission or earn some income or commission. I'll get some percentage. So people click out of their own free will, try to support you as well if you have a fan base in this case. So what can you say, ladies and gentlemen, in summary about the affiliating marketing, which is all based on the freelancing? So it's like self-employment as well. So in summary, ladies and gentlemen, we have seen the tips for success. We have seen given three scenarios or three examples, practical examples. We have seen how the affiliating marketing works as well. So in summary, ladies and gentlemen, about the affiliating marketing is a great way to earn passive. In the case of passive, it can be like compliant income by promoting products. Can be goods or services. Since it is based online, we are simply talking about services here in this case. Services or products you believe in. So by understanding your audience and offering valuable, which is all about qualitative content, you can build trust and increase conversion. In the case of conversion, it's like continuous income, earning commission. So whether you're a blogger, a YouTuber, or social media influencer, affiliate marketing offers a flexible and a scalable way to make money online, which is not too bad. So nowadays, everyone is seeking for passive income. So why you want to be left behind? So for YouTube as well, this is a great deal. Even for bloggers, for social media influencers as well. We have many influencers now, like on social media, so TikTok, Instagram, whatever. So ladies and gentlemen, I think this will be the end. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. I like your comments. Keep them coming. Keep sharing as well to spread the good news. So we want to remove the ignorance. Try to make you earn more passive income as well while you're relaxing. The income keep flowing, or the income flows inside your bank account. So thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great day. Ciao.